So let's talk about data types in Python. So before that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new Python file and I'm going to call this data types and hit enter. So as you can see, the file got created, and here I'm going to write print data types in Python. Run the file, you can see the output. Then I'm going to go to my Google Chrome, and here I'm going to search for data types in Python. Then open the first link, which is from W3 Schools. Here you can see a bunch of data types what are available in Python. So first we have text type, which we call string. So what is that? Anything in between single quotation or double quotation is a text data type or string. So if I write here data type in Python, and this is in between double quotations, so this is a string. Then we have numeric types, which includes integer, float, and complex number. Then we have sequence type, which has list, tuple, and range. Then we have mapping type, which includes dict. Then we have set types, which are set and frozen set. Then there is a boolean type, which we call bool. Then there is a binary types, which includes bytes, byte array, and a memory view. Then there is a none type, which means not specified, or there is no type of that data, you can say. So let's see what is string and number type in this video. Later we will have dedicated videos about all these data types. So let's delete this. So if I declare a variable, for example name, and if I write here Naruto, then this is a variable which holds a string because this is bound by double quotation. If I use here single quotation instead of double quotation, again that will be a string. Then if I declare another variable age equal 20, then this is a number data type, specifically an integer. Integer means whole number, so there is no digit after a point or a period, so it is a whole number like 1 2 3, not like 1.20, just whole number 3 4 5 6. If we have some digit after the period, then that is also number data type, but specifically that is float. So if I write here $29.99 price, then this is a floating point number, so the data type would be float. But let's say if I declare a variable called new age and I set that to 20 in between double quotation, then this 20 and this 20 is not same. It is a number, an integer, but this is a string. So if I print them, for example name, then let's say print age, then we can print price, then let's say print new age, and if I run the code, you can see the output. So that's all for now. We will see every data types in details part by part with dedicated videos.